So today on the table, I've got a Lenovo Ideapad 130-151kb. To get the trim off it, you should be able to lay the screen dead flat and pry from the inner side of the bezel outwards. So as you can see, I'm slowly lifting it as I work my way around. Word of warning, you probably will break a few tabs while getting it open. And also along the very bottom of the screen, it has double-sided adhesive to keep it nice and snug up against the LCD display. But if you slowly just keep working around, you should be able to take the majority of it off. And then from there, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and potentially a pair of tweezers, and you should be able to get that panel out of there. So now there's a small Phillips head screw in each corner. And with all of them released, you should be able to flip the screen forward. Do be aware there is a connector down the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, which this is where a pair of tweezers may come in handy. So here's just a quick zoom in on the model number of the existing panel that's in here. So that tape that's down the bottom there, you should be able to remove that with a pair of tweezers, and then the connector itself should be able to disconnect from there. This panel that I've got here is a different panel. I was just purely testing it. The existing panel that was in there was a 720p panel. The one that I've connected up is a 1080 panel. And I found that the brightness adjustment does work with this panel. And it's also got the higher resolution. So purely just for experimental purposes, this one. So I'm going to be switching it back to the original damaged panel. But from there, you do need to note that the LCD connector is very short. You can't really stretch it too far. So you do have to use a bit of care when reattaching that cable. Pretty much you should be able to have it to a similar position as when you originally got the screen out, like so. And just be careful reinserting the pins. Then from there you should be able to put the adhesive back down, like so, flip the panel up, screw it in, and then reverse the trim installation. So I'm going to be leaving the video here, but I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.